Outstanding design defines the 2020 BMW X3. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, voice-activated navigation, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and power seats. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.